Direct Golf TV, dedicated to improving your game.
The success of TaylorMade's R11S range has taken the golfing world by storm. The introduction of the white driver head and the adjustability options have set the standard for a whole new direction in driver technology. We sent Tom to get the inside track on the remarkable success and impact the TaylorMade products have had on the industry over the past 2 years.
So we're here today at the hub of TaylorMade to talk to the product manager, Nick Bonfield, to get the inside track on the R11S driver.
With the R11S, we've really just developed a club that's every golfer's dream. It's the most innovative club we've done to date, and it really delivers the next level of performance. White for us was originally born on our putter line. We introduced it to our metal woods and now the R11S for its huge performance benefits. And the main performance benefit is its alignment aid. Since we first launched the R11S, it pretty much went straight to the #1 driver model on tour, both in Europe, in the US and across the world. We've got some of our elite premier players playing the driver: Sergio Garcia, Dustin Johnson, Justin Rose. They all love the product. We've introduced a lot of technologies into this product. The culmination of all of those technologies we call the 3 dimensions to distance. Now, those 3 dimensions to distance allow a golfer of any ability to benefit from this product.
So Nick, talk us through actually how you can change the loft on this club.
This is really easy with the R11S driver. Decouple the head, this reveals the sleeve. With the sleeve, this is where you set your loft of the driver. You can move it 1.5 degrees up or down.
So now we've changed the loft, give us an idea what we do next.
Well, the face angle change is really simple. As per the original R11, with the R11S, you do it in exactly the same way. You go to the adjustable sole plate and you change the face angle using this tool here. So once you've unscrewed it, you've actually got it set originally at neutral. So if you want to hit the ball pretty straight, you would stick with neutral. If you need a bit more draw bias, so if you're a guy that tends to have a bit of slice or a bit of cut spin, you'll set this closed. And then vice versa, if you want to actually open the club face up to combat a bit of a hook, then you set this as open.
So Nick, we've changed the loft, we've changed the face angle. What's the last piece of technology involved in the R11S?
The last thing to do is then to change the shape of your shot. So again, if you're one of these guys that potentially has a bit more of a draw bias in his shot, he might want to straighten up that ball flight. So to straighten that ball flight, he'll put a little bit more weight into the toe of the club. If you're a guy who has a little bit of a shot leaking to the right, you'll put a little bit more weight with one of these movable weight cartridges into the head of the club, which will help promote a more draw bias ball flight.
So Nick, we've changed the loft, the face angle and the draw bias. Give us an idea of how that benefits golfers.
This is where it's really good for the consumer. When they purchase an R11S driver, they get a driver that they can actually fit for themselves. They can fit for themselves, they can fit it to their swing. They'll use all of the technologies we've discussed, the 3 dimensions to distance, to give them a driver that's not only longer, but a lot straighter.
Perfect. So we're going to go to the golf course and see if we can optimize a driver for my swing and get the readings from Flight Scope to see if this technology really does work. So we've come out to the golf course now and I'm going to get a tuning session for the R11S driver. Now, Sean Brady, who is TaylorMade's brand experience manager, is going to put me on Flight Scope, put the settings right for my golf swing so I really walk away with the best driver for me.
Right, Tom, first shot there. As we saw, a little bit high,
Yep.
a little bit left, and looking at the Flight Scope numbers there, a little bit too much backspin.
Yep.
So we're going to use the FPT sleeve to help you with the loft and probably help with the backspin a little bit. Right, Tom, much better that time. We saw the ball going still a little bit left,
Yep.
but as we talked about initially, launch angle's down, the backspin's down,
Definitely.
so the FCT sleeve has definitely done its job there.
Face looked a bit short setup though.
You did mention that.
Yeah.
I think we're going to use the ASP sole plate on the bottom there
Perfect.
to help with that.
That's going there flight-wise, isn't it?
Yeah, great. Much better again. We've got that launch down, we've got
Yeah.
the backspin right. Face angle looked much better
Yeah,
to
yeah.
you, and the start direction was right.
Perfect.
The one thing you mentioned there though is that you like to draw the ball a little
Yes.
bit more. So we're going to change the movable weights in the head, and we're going to allow you to draw the ball a little bit more with that.
Perfect, that one.
Really good, Tom.
Yeah.
Really good. Launch is great. Spin is great. Direction's good.
Yeah.
Hopefully you're really happy with the face angle there. Great numbers. Great ball speed. 278 total. Fantastic.
Perfect, ideal. So we changed the face angle, the loft on it, the movable weight for the draw bias, and hit my perfect shot. Absolutely spot on. So we've had a fantastic day here at the hub of TaylorMade, and we've really been given a good insight in terms of how the technology of this driver works. And the tech guys here have really taught me something about how I can change my ball flight, and hopefully showing you guys how you can do it. Now, the great thing with this driver here at Direct Golf, it's available at fantastic prices as always. You can buy it in all our stores nationwide, but also available on our award-winning website.
Shopping with Direct Golf UK couldn't be easier. Simply visit www.direct-golf.co.uk, speak with one of our professional golf advisors on free phone 08000 139 139, or visit one of our great stores nationwide.